Verbling app: the pros, the cons. If learning a new language has been on your to-do list, Verbling promises one-on-one lessons with real tutors, but how effective is it really? One of the biggest pros is personalized learning. Most people get this wrong by assuming language apps rely solely on automated exercises. Verbling connects you with professional tutors via video chat, allowing lessons tailored to your skill level and goals. For example, if you want to improve conversational Spanish, your tutor can focus entirely on speaking practice rather than grammar drills. The app also offers flexibility. You can schedule lessons at convenient times, choose from a wide range of languages, and even switch tutors if you find a better fit. This level of customization helps learners stay motivated and consistent. Another advantage is progress tracking. Verbling allows you to review past lessons, track vocabulary growth, and set goals to monitor improvement over time. This structured approach can be more effective than self-study alone. However, there are cons. The cost can be high compared to automated apps or group classes, and lesson quality depends on the tutor. Some users report that booking last-minute sessions can be challenging if the tutor's schedule is full. Internet connection issues can also affect lesson quality, especially for video sessions. In conclusion, Verbling is ideal for learners seeking personalized, interactive language lessons with professional tutors. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful for serious language learners, casual users might find cheaper alternatives sufficient. If you want a truly interactive language learning experience with expert guidance, Verbling is worth considering, but expect to invest both time and money for best results.